Hey everyone, I'm Brooklyn Napier.
And I'm Michael Rosa, and we're realtors with the Dan Plowman team.
Today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 65 Sandford Crescent here in Whitby.
Come on in and check it out.
This detached two-story home is located in a family-friendly neighborhood close to shopping and all amenities, schools, and so much more. Off your entryway, you have your gorgeous living room, Let's go take a look at the kitchen.
And then you step into this open concept kitchen with a perfect dining area which walks right out to your big backyard. Now let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms.
Upstairs, we have 3 great-sized bedrooms, including your primary bedroom with double doors, a walk-in closet, so many windows, and a gorgeous ensuite.
Now take a look at the other 2 generously sized bedrooms and bathroom, and then we'll meet you in the basement. The basement features this laundry room here and then endless possibilities where you can catch the game, kids' room, or whatever you envision.
Take a look around the basement and we'll meet you back upstairs. I'm Brooklyn Napier.
And I'm Mike LaRosa, and we're realtors with the Dan Plowman team. Thank you so much for taking a tour of 65 Sandford Crescent here in Whitby today.
If this home caught your eye, give the number above a call to book your private tour. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.